कि कहाँ गए हम, बेड़ा होते होते खिमसर, फिर खिमसर से चले हम और आ गए ताल छप्पड़, कि कहाँ गए हम.
Morning at Khimsar was simply superb, and with fresh mood, we started our journey for Tal Chappar. It took us roughly 3 hours to reach here, even though we opted a longer route so we can see some interior parts of Rajasthan. And we really enjoyed those empty roads with deserts on both sides. Sight of Chinkaras also kept us busy.
Finally, we are at Tal Chappar, and this is our last destination. And we had booked Raptors Inn for our stay. Let me show you this guest house.
It gives you a feel of homestay.
This is the dining area. That's Atulji, the owner of this place. And these are our rooms. Out the door, sir.
Hi, sir.
क्या बात है? This is view from Dallas. That's the first safari at Tal Chappar.
Atulji have his own gypsy, and along with a capable driver who was also a guide, we reached to the gates of Tal Chappar Sanctuary.
Okay, there is an entry charge here for 3 of us. They have charged 165, and for gypsy it is 220 rupees, total 385.
Now let me tell you about Tal Chappar. Well, I feel bird lovers and wildlife photographers must know this place. However, if you never heard about it or yet not visited this place, I guess you're going to be my best audience. Tal Chappar is a sanctuary and is located in Churu district, well known for its black bucks. I feel these are most handsome antelope and are classified in near threatened species and hence protected under wildlife protection. Along with these there are chinkaras, desert fox, wild boar, blue bull aka Nilgai, and this place now also getting famous for serious birds lover. Though we could not see much variety of this as we came here in month of March, which is kind of a season when most of the migratory birds fly away. However, we still found some and clicked some good shots of them. With this, let me share my experience of this place on a day 1. Honestly, I was stunned by seeing the vast land and lots of chinkaras and black bugs. Where on earth you see them in such numbers, and were roaming freely without any fear. We also saw blue bull, and by making a lot of photographs in those 3 hours, we ended a day 1. Gates of this sanctuary open at 7 a.m. in morning, but somehow On requesting them, we reached around 6:30 am and saw a spectacular sunrise. March is the mating season of these antelope, and you can see how this male black buck trying to attract the female counterpart. We saw wild boar with their children. We were not lucky to see any bird and other animals, however, chinkaras and black bucks kept us busy. Anyway, after breakfast we went to see other part of this town called Goshala, where we saw a species of lizard. Local call it sanda. Remember जब हम दोस्त लोग आपस में कहते थे जाके सांडे का तेल लगा? This is that sanda. And there are thousands of them.
This is our last evening at Tal Chhappar. Third safari?
Later in evening we again went for our third safari and luckily found a desert fox. This was my last evening outside Agra before coronavirus broke in India. On 15th March morning, we all set back to Agra, not knowing what future is going to be. 18th March, I was with my friends, where we all got to know that there going to be a single day lockdown on 20th March, which however extended till 31st May 2020. COVID-19 is claimed to be a pandemic disease by WHO, and our world, as I know before 15th of March, was gone. Since there is no vaccine developed so far, we have to learn to live with this virus. However, I still have high hopes, and I trust this existence. Maybe this all happened to teach us something. I hope we learn from that hidden message. My salute for all the COVID-19 warriors who still trying their best to stop it, to control it, and my prayers for the souls who departed this planet. I hope I will come back with some another destination very soon. Until then, stay safe and take all possible precautions. How to reach here? By flight. Jaipur Airport is the nearest airport to Tal Chhappar Sanctuary, about 215 km away. By bus. This small town is well connected with buses from all significant cities of Rajasthan. By train. Chhappar is the nearest railway station to Tal Chhappar Sanctuary and is located in Degna Churu Rewari line.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू, बहुत अच्छा किया। इनको ऐसा मत बताना कि आगे सब कुछ हो सकता है। हम लोग बात पापड़ पानी बदल 10 का 1 ऐसा पानी बदल पापड़।
उड़ी 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 छावना।
ऐसे पापड़